In this tutorial, I will show you how you can count the total number of uppercase and lowercase letter of string data by using bash script. In my previous tutorial, I have shown how you can convert all letters to uppercase or lowercase. There are many options to count the total number of uppercase and lowercase. In the first example here, awk command is used to count the total number of uppercase and lowercase of a string. So I will create a file using this script. I'm using Visual Studio Code here to do the task. And my file name will be ul. Here the string value is hello everyone and string value will be printed here. And next the fwk command has uses two variable l and u to count the total number of lowercase and uppercase, which is initially 0. And if path variable is used to keep the searching pattern. Here all uppercase and all lowercase letter will be checked. The for loop will iterate the string values and it will, if it found any uppercase letter, then it will increment the u variable, otherwise it will increment the l variable. And after completing the iteration of the for loop, the total number of uppercase and lowercase letter total number of uppercase and lowercase letter will be printed by using u and l variable. Now I will run this script from the terminal. Okay, bash ul.sh. Okay, here is our output. Our string was hello everyone. There is only 2 uppercase letter and 11 lowercase letter. Now I can go for the next example, example 2. That will count the total number of uppercase and lowercase of a file content using GAWK command. So here you have to create a text file with the name indata.txt for this script. So I will create the text file here. It is a string content. So there is 2 uppercase letters C and I. I will save the file here. File name is indata.txt. Getting the file, you must press enter to read and print this line. Now I will go for the script. Example 2. And I will update this file. And now I will run it from here. Our file name is mistaken here. File name is wrong. Save as in data. Okay, indata.txt. Okay, now I can run this script again. So it is a testing content, total uppercase 2 and total lowercase 17. Now I can go for the example 3 that counts the total number of uppercase and lowercase using grep command. And you can use this command from the terminal or writing a bash script. I'm writing a bash script here or updating the previous file. So I paste the code here. Here the string value is again hello everyone. First the value is printed and total lowercase is counted here by using grep command, and pattern is A to Z in a small letter, and WC command is used to count the total number of lowercase. And in the same way you have to use the grep command with uppercase range and here the string value is given, and here the variable of the strs total upper and lowercase is counted, and here the string value hello, and there is two uppercase letter and three lowercase letter. So first one is checked using a variable and second one is checked using a string value. Now I will save the file and run the script. Here, hello everyone. Total lowercase is 11, and for the hello word, there is two uppercase letter, that is double L. Uppercase and lowercase of any string value by using bash script. Thank you for watching.